Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Febriyanti Sayekti. I am from Bilingual Mathematics Education 2019 at State University of Medan. In this video, I want to explain about the philosophy of mathematics. Before that, I want to ask you, have you ever heard about the philosophy of mathematics? Or do you know what is philosophy of mathematics? Alright, the philosophy of mathematics is a comprehensive and a complex thought on issues relating to the foundation and basis of mathematical knowledge and mathematical relationships in all fields of human life, both epistemologically, ontologically, methodologically, as well as ethical and aesthetics aspects of mathematical knowledge. According to the Liengi, it would be wrong to say that philosophy is the father or mother of mathematics. Why? Because mathematics was never born from philosophy, but they developed together by giving each other problems as input and feedback. Okay, we already tell about the philosophy of mathematics. So, do you know the philosophers who pioneered the development of philosophy and mathematics? There are 4 people, the philosophers who pioneered the development of philosophy and mathematics. Who's they are? The first is Thales. Thales is recognized as having proven 6 basic geometrical propositions, including the propositions that the 2 base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. But practical geometry also got his attention, namely by finding a way to measure the height of a pyramid based on its shadow. The second is Pythagoras. Is known as the father of number. He made important contributions to philosophy and religious teachings in the last 6 before century. The third is Euclid. Euclid was a philosopher and mathematician from Greece. The element is an important legacy to the world by Euclid, which contains much about geometry. The fourth is Archimedes. In mathematics, his discovery of the value of p symbolized by which is 22/7 is Archimedes' accurate calculation of the relationship between the surface and volume of a ball with respect to a cylinder. He invented approximate methods for calculating the circumference and area of a circle, the surface area and volume of a ball. So that's all about the philosophers who pioneered the development of philosophy and mathematics. Next, the general and specific problems discussed regarding the scope of the study of the philosophy and mathematics introduced by the Liengi include mathematical epistemology, mathematical ontology, mathematical methodology, logical structure of mathematics, ethical implications of mathematics, aesthetic aspects of mathematics, and the role of mathematics in history human civilization. For the first, mathematical epistemology. That is a branch of philosophy that deals with mathematical knowledge. Mathematics as part of science, which is a knowledge obtained from the learning process. Many scientists claim that mathematics is part of science. Unlike Immanuel Kant, his opinion that the 3 disciplines of science consist of logic, arithmetic, and geometry. And the second is mathematical ontology. Is a branch of philosophy that deals with something that exists, including metaphysical matters in mathematical knowledge. The third is mathematical methodology. Is a collection of methods formulas and rules used in every science. There is a name in the method or method of the science. In each method, there are two different things, namely the basic and argument. The mathematical methodology consists of three methods: the deduction method, the induction method, and the dialectical method. The important points in the mathematical method consist of three parts, namely, first is an axiom, is a statement whose truth is accepted without further proof to be the basis or guide in a discussion. The second is definition. Definition is a proposition that leads to the nature and quality of something. The third is theorems, are also called propositions, which are the discovery of new mathematical patterns or formulas and can be proven based on the axioms of logic. Based on the three sections, it can be emphasized that the mathematical method is a procedure for proving that is based on axioms and definitions, which are concluded with strict logical reasoning and proving and deriving theorems. And the last, according to Muhammad Mufid, logic cannot be separated from the four basic laws of logic, including the law of identity, contradiction, no middle ground, and the law of sufficient reason. Logic and mathematics have a relationship with each other, so it called mathematical logic. Logic is included in the category of pure mathematics because mathematics is systematic logic. In general, mathematical logic is divided into two, namely definite logic and uncertain logic. The person who first introducing logic for inference was Aristotle. Drawing conclusions in mathematical logic, there are at least three ways to solve it, namely using modus ponens, second modus tollens, and the third syllogism. There are three types of syllogism, namely categorical syllogism, hypothetical syllogism, and disjunctive syllogism. As the queen of science, mathematics shows its role as the parent or basics of science. So, it can be said that in today's modern era, both the fields of medicine, biology, social science, and other science continue to study mathematics as a support. That's all my explanation about the philosophy of mathematics. I'm sorry for my mistakes. I hope this video can be useful for all of us. And thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.